Good morning students. In previous class we saw physical properties of haloalkanes. Today we are going to start the chemical behavior of haloalkanes. As I told in previous class that the nature of bond of haloalkane is polar, and due to that it is effective to the chemical behavior. Firstly, we will discuss nucleophilic substitution reaction. As I told you many times, ionic reactions are fast and simple, but whereas covalent bonds are there, or in organic, reactions are slow, complicated, and they take place through some mechanism. Here we will discuss that when the nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place, in what way these reactions are going on. Firstly, we will see what are nucleophiles. We already discussed in 11th class, there are many attacking species which perform the chemical reaction in organic compound. Here we are talking about nucleophile. Nucleophile are those species that is nucleus loving. Meaning of nucleophile is nucleus loving. Nucleus में क्या है? There is proton. It means definitely nucleophiles may be negative, or if they are neutral, they have more lone pair of electron when they form the bond. Here I am giving you few examples of nucleophiles, that is KOH, in which attacking species is OH minus. NaOH, attacking species is OH minus, who have negative charge and they love to the nucleus. Whereas neutral are ammonia and water. You see, when the ammonia or water form the bond with nitrogen, there is lone pair of electron. With oxygen, there are two lone pair of electron, and definitely they love to the nucleus. So these all are nucleophiles. KOH, NaOH, AgCl, these all are negative, whereas neutral, ammonia and water. These all are nucleophile and they participate in nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here, when these reactions takes place, they take place in two ways. That is SN1 and SN2. Firstly, we will discuss about SN1. When we talk about SN1, it is a bimolecular reaction. It means, firstly, what will be happen? Two molecules participate into the reaction. Order of reaction is 2, and normally when these reactions takes place through the SN1, definitely the attacking species are too weak, like water, like any other species who are weak, they will participate into SN1 reaction. These reactions takes place in two steps. That is, first step is ionization. As we saw, these bonds are polar, so continuously there is tension between halide species and alkyl species. And what happened? When the attacking species comes, they attack over this tension bond. And when the attack takes place, what will be happen? Ionization takes place. Ionization, what happens? Bromide ion is released and alkyl ion is released. Maybe carbonium ion, maybe ethyl cation or propyl cation. What is importance? Importance is this: these are covalent bond, but when they break, they convert into ions. Ions में convert हो जाते हैं. तो in first step, by the attacking species, they convert into halide ion as well as alkyl ion, alkyl cation. In second step, what will be happen? This cation react with the attacking species, which is maybe OH, hydroxyl ion, maybe cyanide ion, and they will react, and after the reaction, if OH species is there, alcohol will be formed. If cyanide will be there, alkyl cyanide will be formed, and with that potassium bromide, positive and negative ion, they will attach and then they form the ion. So this is SN1 reaction, and normally it is bimolecular reaction. It will help only when the taking species is very weak, and that will be takes place in two steps. This weak species wait for the ionization. Ionization will be takes place. After the ionization, they will participate into the reaction. When we talk about SN2 reaction, SN2 reaction is unimolecular reaction, and this reaction will be takes place only when the taking species is very fast. And this reaction is takes place simultaneously, like what will be happen, because attacking species is very fast, so it will attach to the positive part of the alkyl halide. As it is attached to the positive part, soon after iodide ion will be released. These reactions are takes place with one another, and resultant what will be happen? Alcohol will be formed and iodide ion will be released. So this reaction is unimolecular reaction, and attacking species should be very fast, and due to that one molecule participate into the reaction, and then the product will be formed. So there are many nucleophilic substitution reactions are there. Either they can be helped by SN1 or either they can be helped SN2. When the SN1 or SN2 reactions are takes place, there are few factors which influence to the rate of reaction as well as by which way the reaction will be takes place. Means either it will be SN1 or either it will be SN2. So first the factors which influence to the reactions. First factor is nature of alkyl halide. Nature of alkyl halide. Nature means if they are primary in behavior, means functional group will attach with a single carbon, or they are secondary in behavior, or they are tertiary in behavior. The first factor is that is nature of alkyl halide. Another is the nature of halogen, who is attached with the alkyl group. Iodine will attach, reaction will be fast, because bond energy of the compound is lower when the iodine atom is attached to the compound, whereas bromide, then chloride, and then fluoride. The bond energy of the fluoride ion is very high, and due to that what will be happen? The reaction will be takes place very slowly. So first is nature of alkyl halide. Either they are primary, secondary or tertiary. And if halogen is attached, then in what way the halogen is there. So second factor is which halogen is attached to the compound. Third is nature of solvent. Which solvent we are using. Suppose we are using water. The water is polar in behavior, and due to that what will be happen? Water help to convert alkyl halide into ion, and due to that what will be happen? The reaction will take place by the SN2 reaction. Then another factor is definitely that nature of reactant means nucleophile. Who is nucleophile? Like potassium cyanide, yeah, potassium hydroxide, when they are participating to the reaction, then the reaction is fast. Whereas if water is there, water is very weak in reaction, and due due to that, what will be happen? If water is there, then reaction will take place by the SN1. Because SN1 reaction only be takes place when the attacking species is weak. Whereas SN2 reaction is takes place only whenever attacking species is very fast, like silver cyanide, potassium hydroxide. When they will be in the reaction will be takes place through the SN2 reaction. In next part, we will discuss few nucleophilic substitution reaction that will be takes place either by SN1 or by SN2 reaction. Thank you.